Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can download and install Cricut 24 on your PC or laptop. First up, open your Chrome browser and search for steampower.com and then press enter. And then here you will find the homepage. So basically here on the main page of Steam, so here you can now go to the install button right there at the top right hand corner. So click on this install Steam right here. And once you click on that, as you can see here at the blue button, you'll find installed Steam. So you just have to click on that to install to your Windows PC. So click on this installed Steam and then find the folder where you want to save your installer and then click save. And then here, as you can see, once your installer is installed, just click on the exe file and then click yes, and then here click next, and then click on install button. Once your Steam app is installed, open up your application here, as you can see, and then go to the search box at the top right and then search for Cricut 24. So there you have it. So click on the result right here, which is the Cricut 24. And once you click on this one, as you can see here, the game that we want to play, you scroll down here and then click on the add to cart button. And then an option pops up here, as you can see, added to your cart. So you can basically continue shopping or view my cart. So I'm going to click on view my cart right here. And then you will now go to your shopping cart. And then basically you should have to click on continue to payment. And then here, you just have to select your payment method if you're going to use PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, GCash, or eClub points. So if you want to use PayPal, just click continue. Once your game is downloaded, you can now go to library section and then go to home. And basically, you just have to find the games category. And then you can search for the Cricut 24 right from here at the search box. Type Cricut 24. And once you find that Cricut 24 game, you can now play the game. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.